how to check Pinterest views. So if you want to check your Pinterest views, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply search for Pinterest application and make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged in, you need to just go with the profile option, which is on the bottom right. Now under profile, you may have your boards or pins, something like that. So you just need to simply go with the top right, which has that three dots, and then tap on settings. Now under settings, you can go with the account management section. Under account management, you need to convert your account to a business account. In my case, I've already turned my account to a business account. So just simply go and turn your account to a business account. Once you've done with it, now you just need to simply go back and go to your profile. Now on your profile, you will have Creator Hub option. Tap on Creator Hub. And on your Creator Hub, you can go with the analytics, and from here, you'll be able to check your Pinterest views. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.